Before we begin today's video, I just wanted to share with you my newest piece from Clocks and Colors that I'll be wearing during this video and probably others in the future. This is the Shield ring from the Peter McKinnon collab with Clocks and Colors, and it features a really cool blue petersite stone dead center there, surrounded by a sterling silver band that features imagery indicative of Peter's native Canada and their beautiful landscapes. Now, I'm not being paid at all to mention this ring. I just wanted to share this with you as I get asked a lot where my jewelry comes from, and this one was a much appreciated edition from Clocks and Colors, and of course a link will be in the description there if you're interested in checking this out for yourself. Now though, on to today's episode. What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel for an all-new episode of Shampoo Search, the segment where I explore different cleansers in an effort to help you in your search for your next shampoo. Today we are going to be talking about VIBE Bodycare and their Moisturizing Shampoo. Now, this brand also offers a spray clay too, and we will be looking at that in a future episode. I'm actually very excited about that. I've been really into sprays lately, so I'm really interested in checking that out. But today is all about this shampoo, and technically this is an all-in-one, but I don't think it's officially labeled as one by the brand. Like, it doesn't say on their site that it's an all-in-one, but I've been kind of classifying it as an all-in-one considering the brand doesn't offer a conditioner, and based on the description of the shampoo, you know, calling it a moisturizing shampoo, I kind of got the vibe initially that it takes the place of both a shampoo and a conditioner. But the brand does have an official description of this product here at their site. They describe this as a vegan, sulfate, and paraben-free moisturizing shampoo that also helps with things like itchy scalp and dandruff while also providing thick texture. Besides all those awesome features, it also has a really cool look in my opinion. The blue color in the clear bottle is really inviting, I think, and the look of the shampoo itself is pretty intriguing to me. It's almost got this metallic looking feel to it, and it comes in this really nice size 16.8 ounce bottle for $23 US, which I think is a pretty good price. Now though, we got to see how it performs. I'm starting, of course, with dirty hat hair here, for sure in need of washing. It's kind of a mess there, and I'm literally doing nothing out of the ordinary during this demo. We have wet hair, we've got some of the shampoo, I'm putting it in there and I'm working it in, so basically you guys can just see it at home that I'm not cheating or anything like that. I'm just putting it in my hair and we're seeing what comes of it by itself. I'm of course massaging it in and giving it a few minutes to do its thing, and then I'll just rinse it out and blow dry my hair to speed things up a little bit, and here's the result. What we have here is something that's actually very peculiar. At first glance, I thought it wasn't quite as soft as I was expecting it to be, but then I realized that's really because of the texture that it's actually bringing in. You'll remember that one of the features that this has is texture, so that does come off a little bit drier as other products that we've seen, but it's not a bad dry. It's kind of hard to explain. It's not a dry like damaging your hair type dry. It's just got a hint of dryness in there so that it can encourage that texturous look in the hair. It actually kind of feels like it's thickening as well, which is a pretty cool little feature there, and I think overall we've got a very positive result. In fact, I think this one here has a few things going for it that are extreme positives in my opinion. The first is the look and size of the product. I mean, I love how big this bottle is. It's a 16 ounce bottle for 23 bucks. I think that's a really good deal here. The smell of it, actually, I forgot to mention the smell here. Oh, I'm dripping a little bit. The smell, it's kind of like a sweet, fruity type smell. You know, it's not overbearing or anything like that. It's just, it's different, which I like because it seems like a lot of cleansers either have, you know, that typical like salon cleanser smell, or they go like mint or something like that. So this one was pretty cool to see that they went a different direction with that sweet, fruity type smell. And again, that price of 23 bucks makes it very competitive for people that just want, you know, this type of formula, one that's vegan, one that's sulfate and paraben free. You know, it's got a lot of points, you know, that I get asked about when people ask me to recommend a cleanser. They're asking me for things just like this, you know, so I think this has got a lot of things going for it. As far as performance goes, again, I think it cleanses very well, like we just saw here. I think it cleanses the hair fully. I mean, there was really no issues that I found with it, you know, removing products, removing oil from the hair, you know, reviving the hair from that, you know, hat hair. I'd been wearing a hat for a couple of days prior to doing that demo, you know, so it really refreshed and revitalized the hair. I do kind of wish, though, this is the only piece of criticism I have, I do kind of wish that it made the hair a bit more soft in the end here, since it's technically a combination product where there is no conditioner being sold after after, and it's being called a moisturizing shampoo. I would have really liked to have seen more of that moisturizing effect. You know, it wasn't horrible. Like I said, it didn't fully dry out my hair. It didn't make it feel crispy or, you know, just dead or anything like that. I could just tell a tiny bit that it wasn't as soft as I'm able to get with other cleansers and even conditioners, you know. But also, I found that using a tonic or even another conditioner alongside this can remedy that immediately and just take it the full 100. So if you're somebody that likes to use grooming oils or tonics, something like that, you can immediately remedy this. But I did, of course, want to mention that because you know how I do it. If I see it, I say it. That's how I do these videos. I did also want to mention that I really like the thick texture effect. You know, it's not super noticeable. It's not a whole lot in my hair, at least. It wasn't super noticeable. But if you look at it again, you can look at my result here. You can see it in my hair. And that was really cool to see. And that, again, alongside the other points, really sets this cleanser apart and makes it a very good option, in my opinion, for people that are looking for a new cleanser or something even to add to their current routine or current lineup of cleansers or products. Now, we will be looking at the clay spray from this brand as well in a future video. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when that episode comes up. And if you'd like to check out this cleanser from VIBE, a link will be in the description down below. Thank you very much for stopping by and checking out this video with me. Again, I will be back here very soon with some cool stuff. We've got the Rosa review from Arcadian. I've got some other cool stuff planned as well. So make sure you keep an eye out for those episodes. I'm really excited for you guys to see that. And as always, until then, take it easy. I'll see you next time.